Nanay and Claire. Hello KaFam, this is Nanay and this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. Because we making some nurse cap.
Yes! Kasi community helpers presentation na bukas ni Claire. What's your costume tomorrow?
It's nurse because I like nurse because I teach some people. Because I like nurse.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating nursing cap.
Nursing cap.
This is just an easy 1, 2, 3 trick. Ito yung ginagawa ng mga classmates ko pag nakakalimutan nila yung nursing cap nila pag duty. So, ito yung kadalasang ginagawa para solve agad yung uniform, di ba?
Let's start KaFam!
So, try natin kay Claire kung tama sa sa size ng head niya. Very nice. So, Bambe? Wow! Diyan nilalagay yung hairpin para nakatago siya. Para neat and clean and white pa din ang inyong nurse's cap and get up as a nurse. Okay?
Okay! Second nurse, okay?
Hair bun.
One hair bun. Because Nanay is bonus my hair now. Because I'm a nurse now.
Nurse's cap na to.
My nurse's cap on the upstairs. Because I'm wearing nurse. Because it's called me Nurse Day.
Community Helpers Day.
Community Helpers Day.
Let's go, KaFam!
Let's go, KaFam! Because I'm practice. Hello, guys.
Where's your nurse's cap?
Where's that? Yes, my nurse's cap.
Nursing student ka, inaantay mo na mag-capping. Kana nilagyan ka na ng cap sa ceremony. Pwede ka nang magbigay ng mga IV medications. O, diba? Magka-capping din tayo kay Claire. Ayan. I will put your nurse's cap.
Yay! So excited.
Yes. You are a nurse now.
KaFam, we start now. My teacher's calling now because I'm a nurse. Let me practice again. Hello guys, this is Claire. I'm nurse. KaFam, like that. KaFam, hello guys. I'm Claire. I'm nurse. Hello guys. This is Claire. I'm nurse.
I help
to teach the people, and then people is get better.
Yes.
Like KaFam.
Wow. Wow. Feel na feel.
Feel. I can Dr. Ni.
Yeah, nurses do have this also. Nurses will also listen your breath sounds and check if the patient is okay. Like that.
Where's my heart?
Huh?
Yeah, try ka lang may mana.
Here is your heart. Listen. You hear it? What does your heart says? Huh? Yan, no?
Kagamanasan. I like nurse because it's teacher or fireman or the nurse or the doctor or the gardener or the fixing man, fixing blocks and
Carpenters.
or painting or coloring. I'm a nurse.
Oh, you help the community? How do you help the community?
Because I like to help. It's diction into your heart. I'm going to drink some medicine of the people.
How about Claire?
Hello everyone.
Kids, let's listen to Claire.
Hello guys. I'm Claire. I'm nurse because I like to teach everyone to feeling well, and then I give her some medicine with her spoon.
Very good. You are?
A nurse.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
Sarah.
Claire is working her pink roller for painters as community helpers.
Yes, KaFam.